now physical activity, regular exercise routine, okay, is an important, because if you have attended any of our anti-aging sessions, your telomere length is a marker for your anti-aging. There is a beautiful research article. If I bring all that research papers here, it will go on for 2 hours. So this research article, what it clearly shows is your telomere length. When you take care of your physical activity, right, the shortening gets reduced. So if you want to, look younger and you want to reverse your aging, then you must make sure there is some physical activity, walking, depending on what is your health situation. It could be physical exercise. After a certain age, strength training is very, very important, especially for your muscles. Yoga, do anything, but start somewhere. That is a key. And when you do exercise, as it says, as your body moves, your brain moves. Similarly, your body will start, reciprocating accordingly. So your body, mind, they work together, right? So this will also affect for your mental health, for your creativity, for your memory, many other aspects. But there is a way how we can make that work. But at least physical exercises, when you move, it is definitely will help you. And tailored to individual needs, as I said, it depends what you would be needing. But definitely it improves circulation, right? When circulation is there, your detoxification is much better. We do a lot of things just to improve the circulation at NWH. Because we keep sitting in front of the system, or there's not much mobility nowadays, or also physical activity, a certain part of our body has reduced. So improving circulation is the key, especially for the detoxification perspective. जैसे घर कैसा है, जैसे झाड़ू नहीं हुआ, पोछा नहीं हुआ, कितना गंदा दिखता है, बट दिखता है तो हम कर लेते हैं, बट बॉडी के इनसाइड व्हाट हैपेंस, वी डू नॉट पे अटेंशन टू इट. So making sure, right, cleaning up your body regularly is the key. And again, there is another session on detox, what we have in our YouTube channel. That is very, very important. I keep saying toxins are the silent architect of many diseases. Your gut is the mother of disease. Your toxins are the silent architect, of many diseases. So, but you improve circulations when you do a lot of physical activity. Your detoxification is much better. Especially if you sweat, skin being our largest organ, when you sweat, a lot of detoxification processes happens.